welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be reading a Valentine's Day book. And our book's title is Where is Love, Biscuit, Pet and Play. And our book was written by Alyssa Satin Capicilli. All right, so for our book today, I will be providing repeated aided language input for the words where and love mostly throughout this book. And I'll be providing aided language input using a word wall poster with the WordPower vocabulary from Saltillo. I'll also be demonstrating some shared reading strategies like making comments on each page. All right, so here's our book, and it has a heart. And lots of times we think about hearts and love or things that we really, or people that we really like in our life around Valentine's Day. And we show them that we like them or love them by usually giving them hearts and candy and cards that show them. And then today, I bet we're going to talk about love, as it says, with some animals. Biscuit the dog and some cats. All right, let's open our story and we'll begin reading. Where is love, Biscuit? Woof, woof. Love is in the soft blanket Daisy shares with her kittens. So when we share, that shows others that we love them. I like to share my blanket with my kids when we're sitting on the couch. All right, let's turn the page and we can read some more. Where is love, Biscuit? Woof, woof. Love is in the crunchy cookies that we bake with Dad. So whenever you make something together with your family, that's showing your love. Oh, I like to make cookies too. I like to make sugar cookies. Where is love, Biscuit? Woof, woof. Love is in the woolly sweaters that Grandma knits, especially for us. So when Grandma makes something just for you, that shows her love. Yep. I like to make blankets for my kids, and that shows them that I love them. That's one way. Where is love, Biscuit? Woof, woof. Love is in the story that we share with the baby at bedtime. Look, they are both reading books just like us right now. We're reading a book. I wonder, what are their books about? Where is love, Biscuit? Woof, woof. Love is in the hugs and the kisses that you give me every day. Sweet puppy. Woof, woof. They do. They look like they definitely love each other. They're getting ready to do a little puppy kiss. All right. That is the end of our book. I hope that you liked reading it today. Now I want you to think about, how do you show your love to somebody? Or how does your mom or dad or your grandma and grandpa, whoever you may live with, how do they show you that they love you? All right. Well, thank you so much for reading with me today. If you would like to check out other videos where I provide aided language input, demonstrate some shared reading strategies while reading a book, please check out the playlist over here. And if you haven't already, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.